Model, 2006 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901, 9CDTI fully converted camper solar system, very nice. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 156969. MOT, the 29th of June 2025. Engine, 1870 cc 1.9 di. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The exhaust manifold gasket needs replacing as it is leaking exhaust gases. Still starts and drives fine, just a little noisier than normal. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear camping area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, fully fitted camper, solar charging system, reversing camera, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.